to another video. Today I'm just going to prepare some lunch, and this meat is curry chicken back, and maybe I do some white rice with it. And as you can see, my meat is already seasoned, and I'll let it sit for about 30 minutes or so for it to marinate in the season. Yes, so I have my scallion, onion, and thyme, tomatoes, and what again I have in this season. I'm going to put some pimento in it. I also have some pepper already cut up in there, and garlic powder. Yes, so I'm going to cook this today for lunch. Okay, so stick around and watch. Please remember to like this video, comment, share it with a friend, tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to this channel. Stick around, guys. Okay guys, so the oil is already hot, so I'm going to throw in my garlic, chopped up garlic, and some curry. Burning my curry. So at this point, I'm going to put in my meat. You don't want the curry to be really burned. Oh guys, and what I use to season up the meat, I use my chicken Maggi season. Use a bit of garlic powder, chicken season. Yes. And this is how I put my curry chicken back. Look at the curry color, guys. It is popping. This is no fake curry. Right. At this point, guys, I'm going to pour in some water. And close it back and let it cook. So here I have my pepper, scallion, tomato, garlic, carrot, thyme and scallion. So I'm going to put it in my pot right now because it is going down, simmering down. So I'm just going to pour in this seasoned water. Just like this, and let it simmer down. Look at that, colors are popping. So I'm going to let this sit and do its own thing. Okay, look at that. Look at this, guys, it is looking lovely and it also tastes good. Yes, so I'm going to put on some more so that I can have a thick gravy. Here I have it, guys. My gravy is all thickened up. So this is it for the curry chicken. So I'm going to prepare the rice now. As you can see, I have a piece of corn. This is for Isabel. Look at that, goodness. And it is tasting lovely. Alright guys, so I'm going to put in my rice at this time. I'm going to put in some chiffon butter first. My chiffon. Chiffon butter gives your food a nice flavor, so I love to use it. Okay, so I'm going to put in my wash rice at this time. If your water is too much, you can take it out. Take out some of it. And I already put in my salt. So guys, I have a plantain here. I have 2 plantains and they're getting bad. So I'm just going to fry them. Peel them and fry them. Can't let them go to waste, guys. Food are very expensive. Yes, baby. That's Isabel in the background, guys. I'm coming, Isabel. I'm coming. guys, this is my plantain. So I'm not going to do both of them. I'm just doing the one. Fried plantain. Alright guys, the pot is hot now, so I'm going to pour it in my oil. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the rice. Steaming. Guys, when you're frying plantain, you can turn it back on it for a second. Easy to burn. So I will come back to you when I'm finished. So guys, here you have it. My curry chicken back. My plantain. They're a bit overripe. And my rice and my lettuce. So this is the final. So guys, please remember to like this video, comment, subscribe, and watch the entire video guys.